Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gladys Widayati with NPM 234111037. I will be a presentation about leadership behavior. Leadership is the ability to influence the behavior of a group toward exhibit goals. Leadership behavior covers various aspects from the theory to practice. In general, leadership a person's ability to influence, direct, and motivation individual or group to achieve common goals. Leadership behavior refers to the action and attitude shown by a leadership in interaction with his team, making decisions and execute organizational goals. This behavior greatly determine the effectiveness of leadership and its impact on productive job staff and organization culture. Leadership behavior focus on the action and style shown by a leader and how their behavior affect the performance and situation of subordination. Types of leadership behavior based on leadership style. 1. Authoritative leadership. The leader makes decisions alone and give orders that must be followed by team members. This style tends to value input from subordinates less and is more result oriented. Democracy leadership. This leader team members in the decision making process and value their opinion. Laissez-faire leadership. This leader gives full freedom to the members to make decisions and carry out their tasks. Transaction leadership. The leader profit imbalance or punishment based on team member performance. Next, transformative leadership, yaitu the leader inspired and motivation the team members to achieve common goals by creating a clear vision. Charismatic leadership. This leader has a strong personal appeal and is able to influence. And the last, paternalistic leadership. The leader acts like the parent will protect and guide team members. Based on approach, 1. Task-oriented leadership. Leadership focus on goals, activate, and effective in carry out tasks. People-oriented leadership. Leader focus on impersonal relationship and the well-being of team member. 3. Participation leadership. Leader involve team members in discussion making and provide support. Diplomatic leadership. This leader provides clear direction and detailed instruction to team members. Supportive leadership. Leader provide emotional support and motivation to team members. Based on primary focus, self leadership. Leadership leaders have the ability to lead teams, set goals, and motivate themselves. Team leadership are able to build and lead activity teams. Organizational leadership. Leaders are able to lead to another organizational and achieve long-term goals. Effective leaders usually combine a variety of leadership behavior that are appropriate to the situation and needs of the team they lead. Say that fundamental leadership behavior such as authentic integrity, humility, accountability, and transparency are key to such in all other leadership behavior. Leadership style and behavior. Leadership style refers to the pattern of behavior a leader used to influence, author, and achieve organizational goals. Some commonly known leadership styles include authentic, the leader makes decisions alone without much input from team members. Democratic, the leader influences the member in the decision-making process. Delegative, the leader gives team members the freedom to make decisions. Charismatic, the leader has a strong personal magnetic and is able to motivate others through their charm. Next, leadership behavior. Leadership behavior significant action taken by leadership in carrying out their roles. Some example of leadership behavior include provide direction and interaction, cla- clarifying text goals and expansion, profit feedback, evaluation, and profit feedback to team members, listening and provider support, showing concern from team members and providing emotional support. Facilitate facilitating communication, creating an open environment, and allowing team members to share ideas and information. Motivation, encouraging and team members to achieve goals. Developing team members, providing learning and self-development opportunities for team members. In leadership refers to generous approach a leader used to lead his or her team, while leadership behavior description to conserve a leader democracy in his or her daily life when influence and guiding the member. Relationship oriented leadership behavior characteristic. Build positive relationship with team members. Listen to and consider input for team members. Provide support and encouragement. Creating a positive work environment. Relationship-oriented leadership behavior is a pattern of action by a leadership that emphasizes the importance of building good relationships, mutual trust, and harmonious cooperation with team members. Leaders with this behavior focus more on the emotional needs, well-being, and development of individual in the team rather than solely pursuing work target. Example of this behavior include listening to team member aspiration, provide moral support, showing empathy for when member experience difficulty, giving party of work for work result, and creating an open and comfortable work atmosphere. Leadership behavior is the real behavior shown by leader in leading a team. This behavior can be oriented toward tasks, relationship, change, participation, and support. Effective leaders are able to adjust their behavior according to the needs of the team and the situation, so they can improve performance and create good cooperation.